Why do we yawn when we see other people yawn? Contagious yawning, the phenomenon where seeing someone yawn triggers a yawn in ourselves, remains a mystery with various theories. One suggests that it's linked to our capacity for empathy, as seeing a yawn activates empathy-related neural circuits. Another theory proposes that contagious yawning evolved as a way to synchronize behavior and maintain group vigilance. It's more likely to occur among individuals with close relationships or higher empathy levels, suggesting a role in social bonding. While the exact mechanisms are still being studied, contagious yawning highlights the complex interplay of social, emotional, and neurological factors in human behavior and connection.